What is blogging? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of blogging. Whether you're a writer, storyteller, or simply curious about this online phenomenon, you're in for a treat. So, let's jump right into our topic. What is blogging? Before we get started, let's define blogging. Blogging is the process of creating and maintaining a blog, which is an online platform where individuals or groups share their thoughts, opinions, experiences, and expertise on various topics. Blogs are like digital journals or magazines where writers, known as bloggers, publish articles called blog posts. These posts can be informative, entertaining, educational, or personal. Blogging has gained immense popularity thanks to its accessibility and the power of the internet. Now, let's discuss some key elements of blogging. First, content. Creating high-quality, engaging content is crucial for any successful blog. Whether you're sharing travel adventures, providing cooking tips, or offering insights into fashion trends, your content sets your blog apart. Next, we have the audience. Every blogger aims to build a loyal following by connecting with people who resonate with their content. Engaging with readers through comments, social media, email newsletters helps foster a sense of community. Consistency is another vital aspect of blogging. Regularly updating your blog with fresh content keeps your audience engaged and shows your commitment to providing value. Consistency is key to growing your blog and building your brand. Now, let's explore different types of blogs. Personal blogs act as digital diaries where individuals share their experiences and thoughts. Fashion and beauty blogs focus on style, offering tips and product reviews. Travel blogs provide destination guides and tips for wanderlust enthusiasts. Food blogs feature mouth-watering recipes and restaurant reviews. Of course, these are just a few examples. Blogging accommodates various interests, niches like fitness, parenting, technology, finance, and more. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's address a common question. How do bloggers make money? Well, there are several monetization strategies bloggers can use. Advertising allows bloggers to display ads on their websites, earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Sponsored content involves collaborations with brands, creating paid posts or reviews. Affiliate marketing lets bloggers earn a commission by promoting products or services. Bloggers can also create and sell digital products like e-books or online courses. And there you have it, a brief overview of blogging in just 5 minutes. It's an incredible platform for sharing ideas, experiences, and expertise with the world. So, whether you're considering starting a blog or simply enjoy reading them, blogging offers a wealth of opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.